P&S Cat 5 intercom system offers a straightforward installation process that do-it-yourself enthusiasts can typically handle. The process includes connecting the master unit to the main power supply, wiring the master unit to the Cat 5 cable using a compatible RJ45 connector, installing the slave unit in the other location and connecting it to the Cat 5 cable, and connecting the slave unit to the main power supply. The P&S Cat 5 intercom system features clear audio, multiple channels, privacy, and a call alert. The system provides high-quality audio for clear communication. It allows for up to 4 simultaneous conversations on different channels. Each channel has a designated privacy code to prevent eavesdropping, and it notifies the slave units when the master unit calls. User reviews and feedback generally provide a positive view of the P&S Cat 5 intercom system, citing its ease of use, reliability, distance range, and sound quality. The system is described as user-friendly and easy to operate. Users report that the system is reliable and provides consistent performance. The system is capable of covering a reasonable distance between the master and slave units, suitable for use in most homes. The audio quality is clear and provides adequate volume for conversation. Considering a need for intercom communication between a house and a garage, the P&S Cat 5 intercom system is a suitable option because it utilizes existing Cat 5 cables, eliminating the need for additional wiring. It provides clear communication, and it includes privacy codes to prevent eavesdropping. Overall, if seeking a reliable and easy-to-install intercom system, the P&S Cat 5 intercom system is a solid choice, meeting requirements for a communication line and providing satisfactory audio quality and features.